In this session, let us learn about Python string methods. Python string methods. Python has a set of built-in functions. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. Note, all string methods returns new values. They do not change the original string. Capitalize method converts the first character to uppercase. Casefold method converts string into lowercase. Center method returns a centered string. Count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Encode method returns an encoded version of the string. Ends with method returns true if the string ends with the specified value. Expand tabs method sets the tab size of the string. Find method searches a string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Format method formats specified values in a string. Format underscore map method formats specified values in a string. Index method searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. IsAlNum method returns true if all characters in the string are alphanumerical. IsAlpha method returns true if all characters in the string are alphabetic. IsAscII method returns true if all characters in the string are ASCII characters. IsDecimal method returns true if all characters in the string are decimals. IsDigit method returns true if all characters in the string are digits. IsIdentifier method returns true if the string is an identifier. IsLower method returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase. IsNumeric method returns true if all characters in the string are numeric. IsPrintable method returns true if all characters in the string are printable. IsSpace method returns true if all characters in the string are white spaces. IsTitle method returns true if the string follows the rules of a title. IsUpper method returns true if all characters in the string are uppercase. Join method joins the elements of the iterable to the end of the string. IJust method returns a left justified version of the string. Lower method converts a string into lowercase. IsStrip method returns a left. LJust method returns a left justified version of the string. Lower method converts a string into lowercase. LStrip method returns a left trim version of the string. MakeTrans method returns a translation table to be used in translations. Partition method returns a tuple where the string is parted into three parts. Replace method returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified value. rFind method searches a string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. RIndex method searches a string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. RJust method returns a right justified version of the string. RPartition method returns a tuple where the string is parted into three parts. RSplit method splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. RStrip method returns a right trim version of the string. Split method splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. SplitLines method splits the string at the lines break and returns a list. Starts with method returns true if the string starts with a specified value. Strip method returns a trimmed version of the string. Swap case method swaps cases, lowercase becomes uppercase and vice versa. Title method converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Translate method returns a translated string. Upper method converts a string into uppercase. getFill method fills the string with a specified number of 0 values at the beginning. Okay friends, this is the end of part 2 Python string methods. In next video let us learn about another topic, list or array methods. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.